Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel, sharing Peking pork chops. Use refrigerated pork chops. You can choose other parts of the pig according to personal preference. Thaw it with light salt water. Can effectively reduce odor and shorten thawing time. Set aside. During this time, prepare the sauce. Convenient for later operations. The biggest difference between Peking sauce and sweet sour sauce. Darker color. The sour taste will not be too strong, and is salty. If you want to write down the amounts of ingredients, you can take a screenshot of the following screen. Half piece of sugar. 2 tablespoons Zhenjiang balsamic vinegar. 1 tablespoon red vinegar. 2 tablespoons tomato juice. Half a tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 6 tablespoons water. Spare. Cut onion into strips. Spare. Prepare a small amount of shallots, garlic, and ginger for marinating the steaks. Beat them apart. Spare. Drain the thawed steaks. Press it dry with kitchen paper. Add an egg white. Marinate for half an hour before adding seasonings. The advantage is to preserve meat juice and increase elasticity. This method has been introduced in previous videos. If you want to review it again, you can refer to the link in the upper right corner. After half an hour, add the seasonings. Pork chop weighs about 400 grams. Add a teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Small amount of pepper. Half tablespoon light soy sauce. A little allspice. A small amount of sesame oil. Add a little turmeric powder for color. Three teaspoons cornstarch. Mix well. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Add ingredients and mix well. If you want to note down the seasoning quantities, please take a screenshot. It is recommended to marinate for more than half an hour. After half an hour, fry the pork chop first. The oil temperature is about 160 degrees. Turn to medium-low heat. Fry for 5 minutes, remove and process again. Fry for about a minute, stirring gently. Let it heat evenly. After 5 minutes, pick it up. Raise the oil temperature to 200 degrees. The oil temperature reaches 190 degrees. Add steak. Stir constantly to avoid sticking to the pan. Add onions. Pick it up. Stir. Pour out the oil. Bring the sauce to a boil. After boiling, turn to medium heat. Cook it until thick. Add the steak last. The viscosity shown in the video is enough. Add pork chops and stir fry evenly. Ready to eat. Peking pork chops completed. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.